Welcome to the English news section of Diary Times. If I were the Chief Minister, the assembly dispute would be resolved in an hour, said Birbhadra Singh. The deadlock between the ruling party and the opposition has continued since the uproar in the Himachal Assembly on 26 February. On the fifth day of the session, the entire opposition, including five suspended MLAs, did not enter the House and remained silent outside the House. Former Chief Minister Birbhadra Singh, who is still absent from the assembly, also reached out to support the Congress MLAs in sit-in. He said that he has been the Chief Minister of the state 6 times. If he had been the Chief Minister, he would have settled the matter in an hour. The Jairam government can resolve the issue in 5 minutes, but it is not the will of the government. If a tax evasion of a single rupee is proved, the MLA will leave. BJP MLA Balveer Singh Verma has said that if he proves tax evasion of a single rupee, he will leave the legislature. Balveer Singh Verma said that what is being called tax evasion is a liability. It is a case of not paying service tax on the flat sold. It is not a matter of other tax. High Court gave order to the government on the shortage of doctors and paramedical staff. During the hearing, the court was told that most of the CHCS and PHCS do not have adequate number of sanitation workers, due to which the sanitation system has completely collapsed and some of the sanitation workers have been deployed on the basis of outsource. These employees employed on the basis of outsource have been exploited by giving them less money. The footage of CCTV cameras installed in the assembly premises should be shown in the House, CM Jairam Thakur. Replying to the discussion on the motion of thanks on the governor's address, CM Jairam Thakur said that the governor's address is a very important document. When the discussion takes place after the address, the opposition participates in it. Every person of the state is pained that the manner in which the governor was treated is unfortunate. CM Jairam Thakur said that CCTV cameras are installed in the assembly premises. The footage should be present in the assembly so that their real identity could be shown. And this footage must be shown to the people as well. CM Jairam Thakur said that the tricolor flag on the governor's car has also been insulted. CM Jairam Thakur and the Speaker of Legislative Assembly got corona vaccine. Chief Minister Jairam Thakur and Assembly Speaker Bipin Parmar and Rakesh Singha got the corona vaccine today. During this time, the CM told the general public about the corona vaccine and that the corona vaccine should be completely safe. 1,500 outsourced employees to be removed from Electricity Board. Preparations have been started to evacuate about 1,500 outsourced personnel from Himachal Pradesh State Electricity Board on taking up the post of newly appointed 1,552 junior teammate and junior helpers. It has been decided to leave the maintenance engaged on outsourced. Trained Nursery Teachers Association Himachal Pradesh District Bilaspur has handed over its demand letter to Chief Minister Jairam Thakur and to the Prime Minister of the country through District Deputy Commissioner Bilaspur under the chairmanship of Nishu and General Secretary Reena. Chamba ranks 4th in entire country in infrastructure development. In the central government's aspirational district program, Chamba district has received a grant of rupees 3 crores as an award for better implementation by finishing 4th nationwide in the ranking announcement by Niti Aayog. 3 accused overcame medicinal plant Kasamal, 20 quintals consignment recovered. 3 people uprooting the medicinal plant Kasmal in the forest of Sahu region of Chamba district of Himachal Pradesh have been caught by the forest department team. The department team has recovered a consignment of 20 quintals of Kasmal from the spot. The forest department team has seized a truck full of Kasmal roots a few days ago. Council holds rally for lack of professors. Due to the vacant professors post in college Saloni, the Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad held a rally on it and shouted slogan against the state government. The rally was organized by the ABVP Saloni unit, which went to main checkposts of Saloni and staged a sit-in. 19 students of Indora College found corona positive. The situation has become worrisome again about the corona in Indora. Here, 19 cases have been found corona positive in 2 days, out of which 17 cases have come only on Thursday. Nepotism in Congress. Common worker does not get important position. Jamal Siddiqui. There is only nepotism in the Congress party. In this, ordinary workers do not get important positions. At the same time, the workers also get important position in the BJP. There is no custom of nepotism in BJP. Municipal corporation election. Now, new voter ID will be made by giving 50 rupees. For the Dharamshala Municipal Corporation election, now an amount of rupees 50 has to be paid to get a new voter ID. SDM of Dharamshala, Harish Gajju, told that the votes of municipal corporation are being made in the district collector office. The voter will have to pay an amount of rupees 50 to make the voter ID. Free voters were being created by the department from 12 to 16 February. Bharatiya Janata Party State President Suresh Kashyap held a meeting with party in charge and chiefs of wards regarding the election of Municipal Corporation Dharamshala at the Perimeter House today. All the officials of Kangra district and Dharamshala division were also present in this meeting. At this meeting, Vishal Nehria, MLA of Dharamshala, first welcomed the state president. Former Minister Gulab Singh Thakur given COVID vaccine in hospital. Parveen Sharma also get vaccinated. In the civil hospital of Joginder Nagar, former BJP leader and former minister Gulab Singh Thakur was given the COVID vaccine on Thursday. He described the vaccine as safe, describing himself as healthy. Hospital's SMO Dr. Roshan Lal Kondal said that the former minister Gulab Singh Thakur's vaccination was successful. For the Mahashivratri festival, Bada Dev departs for Kamru Nag. Mandi will arrive after 8 days walk. After 8 days of walking, Bada Dev Kamru Nag will reach Choti Kashi Mandi on the day of March 11, Shivratri. After meeting Raj Madhav Rai and Raj family members, the deity will be enshrined in the temple of Tarna Mata in Mandi city during the entire Shivratri festival. We will be right back with fresh news. Till then, have a nice day from Diary Times.